Hello everyone, welcome to Ready2School. Today I'll be showing you guys how to set up your teacher account. So first go to ready2school.com and then at the bottom left, click choose sign in method. From here, click continue with Google and choose the Google account that you want to continue to Ready2School with. This will take you to a choose your role pop-up, agree to the terms and user policy, and then click teacher because that is your role. From here, just write your name. I'm going to put Shreyans and then I'm going to put AS. So finish teacher setup. This will take me to a screen with a lock. This is because school admins or R2S admins need to approve teacher accounts. This makes sure that no one signs up as a teacher and posts things that students and parents can see. So I'm going to go approve this and I'll be right back. So now my account was approved. What I'll do is just refresh this page and I'll be taken to the teacher dashboard. In this teacher dashboard, you'll see at the top the banner for the school that you're currently set as a teacher for. You'll also see a list of grades. These grades that are the grades where you can edit the stationery, homework, notices, attendance, and students for. So you don't have to have all of these grades. You can take some of them out and you can add other ones if you need. Stationery and books. So this is the first tab. In stationery and books, you'll be able to create a list of items or books that students and parents can reference at the beginning of the school year or anytime throughout your course. This will be publicly available to them, so they do not need to create an account to view this information. They just need to go to ready2school.com and search up their school, select the grade, and they'll be able to see all of this. You can edit a list if you have done something wrong later. Next, the homework tab. In the homework tab, you'll see the homework for this week. You can cycle through to next week, the previous week, and if you click on an assignment, it'll show you when it's due and the content of the assignment. Additionally, it'll show you who it was posted by. If you want to post homework, just click post homework, click the grade, the section, the due date, the subject. If your subject isn't there, click other, type your subject name right here, and then the homework description. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this with grade 7 because there is a student and it'll show you guys another feature. So I'm going to click post homework. I'll quickly fill this out. So the homework is moderated, and this is to ensure that teachers or anyone that has access to the platform and these rules, they cannot post whatever they want, and we make sure that the posted content is appropriate. So if we go back to the homework page, as a teacher, uh, you can also mark homework for students. So what does this mean? This means if you click on the homework that you posted and then click on check homework, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to see the students in that grade and section, and you can mark that homework as completed, as late, or not completed. If you haven't marked the homework yet, they will see that too. So click Save Statuses. Now, if this homework is marked as late or not completed, the parents will get notified. Both the parents and students can see their homework status on their dashboard. If we go to Notices, you will see 3 tiles. First, the Create Notice tile. This tile allows you to create a notice/announcement that either students and parents can see or parents only can see. This is selected under the Audience section. You can also set an expiry date for your notices. This means when that date approaches, this notice will expire and it's not publicly available anymore. If it's left blank, the notice expires after 1 week automatically. So these notices are what are published for this grade. This doesn't mean just by you, it means by anyone that's published a notice to this grade. So we can see the title, the description, who it was posted by, and exactly what day and time. If you publish a notice, you will find it in this section right here. Now let's go to the attendance tab. This is a very cool feature that allows you to take attendance on Ready2School. If you click section A under section, or any section that you want, I will demonstrate with section A, you'll see a list of students. Now, these students were students that were marked by other teachers. It is the same name that I have, but this is another teacher account, and they were marked as absent, late, and excused absence by another teacher. When that happens, another teacher that did not do the attendance cannot change it. But if you're the one that changes the attendance, you can change it throughout the day. I will demonstrate this after we create a student. If we go to students, there are two ways for students to access Ready2School. They can either be given a R2S ID from their parent or an R2S ID from you, the teacher. For you to give them an R2S ID, you would just select a section, their name, you write their roll number. If you want, you can give them an addition number and then generate their R2S ID. So, for example, if I create this, as you can see, what it'll give me is an R2S ID and a one-time activation code. The R2S ID is essentially a username. The one-time activation code is their first password. Once they enter that, they'll be taken to a screen where they have to create a new password. Now, let's go here. We can search for students in this grade. Under section A, you'll see the student we just created. You'll see Shreyans right here. R2S ID, this. You can search for students if you would like to. You can also remove students from the section. When you click remove from the section, you'll be taken to something like this, where you can restore them if needed. A recovery code is a code that's given to the student where they can sign in and change their password. So now that you see we created a student here, let's go back to the attendance tab. This student was just created, so no teacher has taken attendance for them yet. You can see the student right here. I'm going to mark them as present. Submit the attendance. It'll ask me to confirm. It's still going to load the attendance. And as you can see, we can still edit this later. This is in case you made a mistake. If you go back to the homework tab, you can see under here, check homework. The student was also added here, and they are not marked yet. So the teacher dashboard provides a very nice way for teachers to manage their homework, attendance, notices/announcements, and view their class all on Ready2School. It organizes it in such a way they can communicate with them efficiently and effectively, making sure all their information gets across. If you have any questions, please contact us at contact.ready2school@gmail.com. Thank you so much.